And this goes out to them. There's a song we wrote.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Get up, come on, let's go. Take up the duties, I think. Those words are best for words and poetry. Bracket ideas into many pronouns. Something, come on, you're not making sense now. You can't make them love you. They're all just literate and silent. Get the ball and quiet. This is your girl. Friends are made up. That's all you need to know. You have it or you don't. You have it or you don't. But you don't. What time I wasted? You got what is separated. Sorry, come on, you know I can't help it. Right off the mic and you got the lost it. What can I say to get the conviction that you were wrong? Was it demise so carefully constructed? Well, let's just say you got what you wanted. Because in the end, it's always the same. Let's go! Literate and silent. Get some falling quiet. Just a girl. All you need to know. You have it or you don't. You have it or you jump. Get to me with the words on the tip of my tongue and my eyes on the scope and the barrel of a gun. Remind me not to ever act this way. This is you trying hard to make sure that you see with the girl on your heart and your heart on your sleeve. Remind me not to ever think of you. This is me with the words on the tip of my tongue and my eyes on the scope down the barrel of a gun. Remind me not to ever act this way again. You can't you fold this. The hold your represent you only make this worse. What you and you can't you fold this. The hold your represent you only make this worse. I know something that you don't know. I know something that you don't know. The hold your represent you only make this. The hold your represent you only make this. The hold your represent you only make this. The hold your represent you only make things worse. Yeah. Bro, sick, bro. Taking Back Sunday, bro. Sick, bro.